Hello, I'm Nathaniel Gayton, and this is my final project for AS43600 Web GIS. This project is designed and intended to provide a public service to the state of Arizona by consolidating parcel viewer applications hosted by the respective county government into a single web application, and also by hosting a web mapping application of the consolidated parcels data. The purpose for this project is because I believe that hosting such applications and data would provide a convenient, simple solution to the people and entities of Arizona for researching, viewing, and analyzing parcel information. Parcel datasets and information are typically managed by county governments and usually within a tax assessor's office. County-wide datasets of parcel polygons may be readily available to the public via open source repositories or requesting data directly from the appropriate county office. County boundary line information is also typically managed by each county government and consolidated in a state government agency or office. For this project, parcel features were collected from ArcGIS Online via ArcGIS Pro. A simple search of keywords, namely using the county name followed by parcels, and diligent metadata checks identified the respective authoritative hosted feature layers for most of the counties in Arizona. Parcel datasets for counties Cochise, Coconino, and Santa Cruz were not available online at the time of research and required official request and purchase of datasets. Those three counties are excluded from this project due to lack of data. However, their resources are included in the references section. For this project, two mediums were used to complete the requirements. ArcGIS Pro version 2.8 was used to collect, prepare, and visualize project data. ArcGIS Online was used to disseminate project deliverables to the intended audience. To accomplish the project's mission, a series of steps were taken. Model Builder was used to create a tool which iterated over the county-owned hosted feature layers in the map. Each layer was copied to a Scratch geodatabase, then transformed its projection to UTM Zone 12 North in a deliverable geodatabase. Upon completing consolidation and transformation processes, project data was conditioned for efficiency and uniformity. A text field was added to each layer to assist queries for geoprocessing tools, widgets, and visualization. A text field was added to each parcel layer to assist queries for geoprocessing tools, widgets, and visualization. Next, a symbol layer file was saved after visualizing a single parcel layer. That layer file was then applied to the remaining layers via Model Builder, so they may apply. Next, a symbol layer file was saved after visualizing a single parcel layer. That symbol layer file was then applied to the remaining layers via Model Builder, so they may be shared to ArcGIS Online. After symbolizing the parcel layers accordingly, they were shared to ArcGIS Online as a single vector tile package, ready to be used in a web map or web mapping application. The layers processed in this workflow are featured in the web mapping application Arizona Parcels Viewer and may be viewed, copied, analyzed, exported, and printed from within the web mapping application. Users can also draw new features to a new layer or copy selected features from existing layers. The layers processed in the previously outlined workflows are featured in the web mapping application Arizona Parcels Viewer and may be viewed, copied, analyzed, exported, and printed from within the web mapping application. Users can also draw new features to a new feature layer or copy selected features from an uneditable existing layer. Users may also add data from other sources such as AGOL or their own content, the hosted vector tile layer of all Arizona parcels can be viewed and used for reference at smaller scales, whereas the county parcel layers may be viewed at larger scales. The web mapping application is intended to provide a consolidated, user-friendly experience to search and analyze parcel information about the Copper State. Users may zoom to existing bookmarks or create their own. Users may also search for an address, coordinate pair, or APN number. Users can select features using several methods, edit data with Smart Editor, and analyze data with several geoprocessing tools. Users may also print out maps. Users also have control over the base map of their choice, as well as turning off and on layers within the web application. By following the link at the top of the web app, users can also find resources for each Arizona county government. By scrolling to the bottom of the Story Map application, users can find hyperlinks for each Arizona county government GIS office, as well as embedded web application parcel viewers hosted and owned by each respective county government. Thank you for your time and consideration. I hope you find this web application to be useful and user-friendly to you. For any questions, comments, or concerns, please see the information located at the bottom of the story map, hyperlinked at the top of this web application. Thank you, and Semper Fidelis.